It's a Hi-Point 7 CNG filling station. We're going to talk a little bit about the gas detection before we get into the oil change. Up there we have a Ethernet cable running to basically zone 3. There's 3 zones, 3 detection systems which are networked into the machine. In case there's a gas leak, it would stop the machine, shut off the gas valve. There's another one located inside that stainless steel dome and behind that door. So they're strategically located, networked into the machine's PLC and HMI system. Now we're going to go to the screen, and this is the main run screen. We just completed a filling session of 31 GGEs, and that's what it is flashing up there to state that a session is complete. Now to go to the oil change mode, we're going to push the horsepower energy logo, and we're going to go to the maintenance menu, and we're going to go to the oil change menu, and there we have the controls to change the oil. We have to remove the dome. The stainless dome has to come off, so we don't really need any tools. And then the door, we have to open that door to access the oil containment vessel. And there's just ball valves. Basically, we move levers to drain the oil, so it's quite simple. I'm going to take off the main exhaust where the heat and any gas that may purge out may go through this. It goes up through the, like the chimney goes up through the roof. And then there's 3 nuts that hold this down with special guide bushings. Lift this off. Okay, we're going to go ahead and we're going to drain the oil in one of these old containers. So take the hose out, which comes with the machine, drain hose, and put it in here. You open the valve. It drains right out. And open this other valve for venting. So you let that sit for 10 minutes to make sure it's all drained out. But we're going to go ahead and fill it. Doing this for demonstration. Okay, we're going to take the cap off the new oil that you get from horsepower energy. And basically we move this tube, this is the fill tube, and then we put the cap under there as a spacer to hold the oil up so we get it all out. Valves are in the right position and then we're going to turn on the oil pump. We'll just let it run. When it's complete, the machine is going to stop the pump. It's sucking the oil out. It takes like 10 minutes at the most. And the machine stops, sounds an alarm, and it says oil is full. So you can't overfill it because the machine stops it. And if it did overfill because of some sort of failure of the sensor, there's another sensor that above that would indicate that there's an alarm situation, and you would know that. So we've never had that happen. And the oil should unscrew the oil filter. We get ready, screw the new one on. It's a standard M110 Mobile 1 automotive filter. You can get through us or through the automotive store. And that's located right over here. So right now we're in the fill process. Okay, the machine said the oil is full and it stopped the pump automatically. So we're going to take this out, the oil container, and shut off the valve that runs to there. We'll just wait for a few drops to run out of that tube. And that's it. We're going to close this up. So to finish the oil change is putting the dome on in the exhaust chimney. Okay, so that we completed the oil change, and I thought it was important that we design the easiest oil change system on the market. You know, it's automatic, and other systems you'd have to have tools, and you got to get a technician out there. It takes time. You're out in the field. You have drain plugs. You could drop those in the dirt or on the floor, and then you got to clean that. Or a lot of guys, they're lazy. They'll just put it, screw it in, and you know there's some dirt in the system. Whereas this system, there's nothing to drop. There's ball valves, and we just shut them off, and we're ready to go. And that completes the oil change.